Hey guys, what's up? It's Jay from Journal Transcript here. Today we're looking at two stocks, CLX and BNOW. But first, just remember, our content is intended to be used for informational purposes only. It is very important to do your own analysis before making any investment based on your own personal circumstances. And we recommend that you consult a licensed financial advisor or conduct your own research before making investment decisions. So, let's get started with Clorox. So, Clorox has been in a downtrend since last August, and we're looking for a break up to new levels of around 230 or 234. Those are our two main price targets at the moment that we could see in the next upcoming months. All we really need to get there is we need to have the stock overbought and have strong bull volume. As we can see right now with our Williams percent R indicator, we're actually going towards the oversold level. Once we get to that level, we often see a rebound as we did back at the beginning of 2021, which is a strong bull break from 195 to 230. So we're looking for something similar here, except we can break from this downtrend and come out with more support levels so that we stick at that level. After analyzing the chart, now we're seeing Yahoo Finance. We're looking at the basic fundamentals behind the company. Clorox has a strong PE ratio of 19.91, which puts the company in a good spot for long-term growth. They offer dividends too, which help bring in investors, and we have a low average volume at the moment, which helps us show that we have a big bull break incoming potentially. Clorox has consistently beat their earnings, which is impressive over the long term, as we see here. They're a company that has growing earnings, growing revenue. It's a strong company for a long-term buy. If we look a little deeper here at Clorox again, we can see that they have a high profit margin and a high operating margin, which is good and bad. But this stock is surprisingly highly shorted. Around 6% of the stocks are shorted at the moment, which could cause a catalyst once those shorts have to be covered if we break from this downtrend. So what we really want to do with CLX is wait for clearance that we're past the resistances going up, and we could see a fast break up to a higher level. The shorts will have to be covered, and we could see a farther catalyst to new levels like we were talking about here, up 230 and maybe even a moon target of around 250. So that's the analysis on CLX. Now let's go to BNOW. Now you're looking at the chart on BNOW, Boon Industries Incorporated. So now, just to put this out there, this is not the usual type of stock I would like to trade. It's a very low price. It's very low volume. However, the stock is showing great signs for a potential gain here. Potential 200, 300% gain in a short term. So we're sitting in a heavy resistance right now around this level. If we see a break below this level, we're in trouble. However, if we bounce off this level, there's not much resistance stopping it from climbing back up to the 40 cent, 35 cent levels we were seeing before. And the most surprising part about this company is the actual fundamentals. So when you're looking at a pink sheet like this, an OTC stock, you can't really see too much about the fundamental backings behind the company unless you're an employee in the financial district of the company. But what we can see here is actually the profit margins increasing. We just had our first positive quarter out of the since the start of the company, essentially, which is a very good sign that we're going to have a rebound, especially once we see 2021 first quarter earnings. This could rebound to a higher level than it did before just due to the surprise. And once this company gets the news put out about their high earnings, this thing's going to blow. So now we're looking back at Yahoo Finance, and this is the kind of stock that we like to look at to make a big leg up in a short amount of time. So when we're looking at a biotech stock, what a big part of it is phase testing and approval. So we can see that phase 1 testing of their new sanitizer Diox Plus just got approved. So what we can look for now is their distribution of the product after it's been released, which could create the leg up that we've been waiting for. This is the leg up from the phase 1 testing approval. As we could see, it shot up around, I think, 800%. Yeah, past that, farther than 800%. If we see a leg up now and they distribute and get their sales out, this could be a strong company even for long term. This has been my analysis on Clorox and Boon Industries. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.